All right, here we go. We're working on Couch's Maverick XRS. It's 2019. We're setting up the shocks. Cruiser setting, 4.5 inches up above the stock setting in the front, and what was it, 8 in the back?
8 in the back.
8 in the back, and then we're gonna throw on some 34 assassinators on the stock rims. And as you can see, he has this retardedly awesome probox. It's got 4 6x9s, 800 watt amp, and it's all Bluetooth, and it has 4 wake tower speakers in the back. Man, this thing is retarded. We will do a video of it. He's also throwing in a second battery, marine battery, just so it has enough power to power the darn thing. And we're gonna do bumper and winch on it as well, and that's gonna be it for now. But yeah, here's the start, and I will get a video of when we're done. Oh, and we're doing a snorkel kit too, the XMR snorkel kit. So yeah, there we go. Well, it's midnight and we're finally done this unit. That's always the way it goes. Everything's cranked up. We got the XMR snorkel kit jammed in there with all the speakers. 34 assassinators. Extra battery under the seat, and the new worn winch in the front. Yeah, it took a little longer than we were expecting, that's for sure. So we will get some videos tomorrow of this thing in action. There she be. Shop is an absolute destruction zone, but we're done. Now it sounds good. Definitely a pull for it, but it pulls it no problem. And it's in there good. $45? Not bad. That's all you could fit. Has a touch of drag.
What?
There's belt's getting a little warm. She made the squeak. Oh, there it's dumping out that skeg.
What?
It was just plowing and then it dumped a bunch out. Ooh.
Oh yeah, taking that brand new X-ray straight into the shushies. Good for the paint. Holy! Better get a little side angle here. We got some tip action. More clearance. Look at that. Yeah. Room.